look like you've changed much at all, boy. Kenny!
Those gunshots? Are we being attacked or what? Just stay down! Yeah! Historia!
Predicted our every damn movement! Of all people, why the hell would you work with the MPs?
Make yourself at home, sir!
Ready or not. Shit. If this keeps up, I'll lose my team, Aaron and Historia. It's the damnedest thing. I seem to be smelling a rat in this fine establishment. Come on out, little rodent. The sheriff is here! And I aim to exterminate all the vermin I can find! Bang! Bang! Oh, come on! You here or not? Right here, Kenny. Been a while. I really thought you'd be dead by now. What with all the MPs you were butchering. But now you're great friends, huh? Yeah, well, adults do plenty of things kids like you can't understand. Oh, right. My mistake. You're supposed to be an adult now, but you're still such a runt, it's hard to tell. Always hope that I might get to see you in action someday. I can't say I'm disappointed either. Seems you still remember every trick I taught you. But didn't I ever tell you what happens to a cornered rat? 'Cause if I had, you'd know that wherever you run, you'll find a bullet waiting. Hey, Levi. You must have become a scout for a reason, and I think I know what that is. We were forced to survive in that little hellhole, giving everything we had just to stay alive. So when we found out just how big the world really was, you could bet it hurt like hell. But you know what saved us? We found something we enjoy doing. It's just that simple. Every man needs himself a hobby. Maybe the only source of fulfillment he'll ever find in this wretched world. Oh, I see. Is that why you blew off my people's heads then? 'Cause it's fulfilling? Yep. To achieve my grand goal, I'll kill as many as get in my way. And you're no different. You kill too when it benefits you. Yeah. Whoa! Wait! It's the captain! Thanks for the help, old man. Huh? A chair? Damn! Fire! Get in! The hell is that? Follow the wagon! Right! Listen up! These soldiers were trained to fight other people. They've already taken out 3 of ours. If you hesitate for so much as a second, you'll be dead. The moment you see an opening, go for the kill.
Yes, sir.